Learners of life skills. Today I would like to talk to you an important topic. How do you connect with people? See, connection is different from contacting them. Contacting them is only purely rational, whereas connecting with people is a lot of emotions will be brought when you connect with people. That's why I'm not calling these days a call center. It has to be a connect center so that the caller and the one who receives the call get connected to each other. What is happening is, unfortunately, because of COVID, otherwise over the last 2 decades, increasingly people are getting disconnected with each other emotionally. There is quite a lot of, just a contact. So the disconnection increased. To understand how to connect with people, particularly your employees, I would like you to first understand they have certain expectations from you. If you know their expectations, you will be able to connect to them easily. In my experience of last 44 years, what I observed is people want you to be around. That is the first expectation. I want you to be around. If I don't see you, I cannot connect with you. Second one is they want you to be visible. Third expectation is they want to be mentally engaged with them. Fourth is, Baba, acknowledge my ideas. Though I am a subordinate, I may have a good idea. Please acknowledge. It's a good idea for which you have to listen, for which you have to also pay attention to me when I am speaking. Encourage my efforts, boss. Say it's a good, you have done well. Or praise my achievements. Instead of sending a mail, why don't you talk to him and connect with him and tell him that you have done a fantastic achievement? Help me when I need. Don't want your help when I don't need. I need help. That time you have to help me. Next expectation from the boss is share your ideas, share your information, share your contacts. Then I get a feeling we are connected and I trust you. Next, of course, is challenge my thinking. I don't want to say everything good, but challenge me. Next is, of course, if you consult me, I am happy. Just then informing me, consult me also, so I get connected to you. Resolve the conflicts early itself, instead of just keeping it a lid and then opening after a couple of years. So basically, I have my life beyond this work. I am here 10 hours, 12 hours, but my 24 hours is there beyond these 10 hours. Respect that I also have a life beyond this work. So these are the simple expectations, untold expectations of subordinates or colleagues with whom you are working and leading. Following tips I would like to give you based on that to connect with people. First is know him thoroughly. His demographic, geographic, all other details. What is his family, where he studied, what kind of children, that kind of person in totality, know him. Then only you get connected. Not just you are a coder, you are an engineer, you are this. He is a person. Know the person completely. Second tip I would like to use, surprise them. Go and stand next to his chair. He feels extremely happy, though he is 2 levels below or 1 level below, 4 levels below. Surprise them. When you come back from abroad, bring him a gift and give. Next is pick the right moment to connect with people. Right moment is very important. When he is frustrated, when he is angry, when something is happening, that is not, pick the right moment. Next tip I would like to use, be silent. Sometimes that helps you to connect to people. Ask right questions. What has been happening? How are you? Who was there with you? That kind of open-ended questions you ask them, right question. Then you get connected to them. Tell them stories. Never ever in my monthly briefing of employees, it doesn't pass without me telling a story. Same way when I am, in the monthly review meeting of my direct report is stories to connect with them. Then of course they want your actions, not just words. They get connected more when you act on what you are talking. Next is share information. More and more you share, only shareable information. They don't expect you to tell what happened in the board meeting. But board has, this is what they have given, which can be shared with them. If you share, they are extremely happy. Show yourself sometimes. You have to show yourself completely, not just hidden, closed part. You have to be open to people to show yourself. Lastly, practice humor, crack a joke, appropriate joke, let them understand the joke, let them appreciate you. Instead of you telling the joke and you laughing, you share a story, share humor, share a joke. All these tips help me in connecting with people. My friends, please practice how to connect with people. Thank you.